Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans ended the day lower on the continued uncertainties about these trade tensions with China after more verbal volleying occurred between the two sides over the weekend. At this point, there's been no public progress in any kind of talks, and there might not be for quite some time. Definitely going to continue to keep an eye on that. Corn closed modestly higher with at least some concerns about the weather. Forecasts for much of the next 10 days in many key U.S. growing areas, at least parts of the central and western Midwest, remain generally pretty dry, and that could harm the crop during these late stages of development. And wheat closed solidly higher, expecting more reports of crop loss in parts of Europe because of drought, and also large sections of Australia's wheat growing region remain very dry as well. The trade's also keeping an eye on conditions in the U.S. Pacific Northwest, Canada, and the Black Sea region. Live and feeder cattle closed lower, watching the distribution of this week's new direct cash cattle show list. Now, overall, the ready numbers appear to be smaller than last week, but there are beef demand uncertainties. And hogs closed lower on profit-taking, spread activity, cash pressure during the session, and a lack of follow-through buying after some attempts at higher trade. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.